Okay, I wanted to show some basic sorting techniques. So I have this table up here. Here's the table headers, order ID, category, city, county, and so on. All these are the things that we're going to sort by. Now all you have to do to sort these is click anywhere in your table in a cell and then go right over here where it says sort. And we're going to do a custom sort here. So let's do custom sort, and then it brings up this area where you can choose which column you want to sort by. So let's say first we want to sort by county. So I'll use this pull down and I'll choose county, and then it's based on values. And then right here is different ways you can sort. This is going to sort it alphabetically, A through Z. If you choose the pull down, you can sort backwards, Z to A, or you can even do a custom list and it gives you some right there. But what we'll do is just do an alphabetical sort. So let's say OK to start off with, and now it put the counties in alphabetical order. And previously to this, the order IDs were in numerical order, like it went order ID 10,000, 10,001, 10,002. But now 10,017 is showing third because it's the next one that had carbon as the county. So all the carbons are listed, and then it goes on to the next county and so on when you scroll down. So now if we want to do a multiple sort here, what we could do is go back to our sort. So let's go back to that, sort A to Z. And let's do it again here. Sort. Well, I tell you what, let's go custom sort. And so you can see right now we have that first level, our county in there. And now maybe within these, each county, we want to now sort based on, let's say, what city you're in alphabetically. So let's do next level, add a level, and we'll go city, and again A through Z, and say OK to that. And now you can see here's Carbon County, and the cities are in alphabetical order. First Bear Creek, and then Bridger, and so on. Let's see here. See, they're going in alphabetical order: Juliet, Red Lodge, and then you're into Dawson County and that city. And then let's go one more level. So again, we're clicked in the table. We'll go to sort, and we'll go with custom sort. And you can see our two levels we have. And now maybe let's do a numerical thing. Let's go, our next level is we'll rank the quantity, add a level, and we'll go, well actually let's undo that because we want to do that in order here. So let's delete that level, and we want to go add a level after this area down here. Add a level. Let's see. There we go. Add a level. So we go county, city, and the next level we'll go quantity. So right here, let's go to quantity, and now they're rated on their values, sorted on their values. And now do we want to go smaller to largest, or do we want to go largest to smallest, or do we have some sort of, again, a custom thing we want to do? Well, we'll just do smallest to largest. So we say OK, and now we have three different levels of sorting here. We've sorted first by the county, then next by the city in alphabetical order, and then after that by the quantity. So for example, these that say carbon, then they also say Bear Creek there, or Bear Creek. Then you have the quantity showing up in numerical order going from 60 clear up to 116. And then after that, you can see that it goes to the next city and it starts over here at 55. Once you have this, then it makes certain things a little bit easier to do. Like if we want to get the median quantity for just this county, we can go over here and say equals median for these cells and just stop it where that county ends. Like Well, if it's Carbon County, let's say we'd have to go clear down to right about here, and we can get the median for just Carbon County. Let me go back up and close off the parentheses. So the median quantity for Carbon County is this right here. If we want to get the median for just those in Carbon County that are in Bear Creek, then we'd only have to deal with these, you see. So I could do equals median, and I would only have to do the values down to this level right here. So if we're looking for the median quantity just down to just those having Bear Creek in them, I think we're pretty lined up right there at that point. And you can check and see if we're okay. That gets you clear down to the end of Bear Creek, and we get 90. So you can get medians or any type of standard deviation or any type of statistical thing you like very easily by first sorting and then getting that statistical function that you want for that area. That's a lot easier than using the median if statement. So I'll stop this right here.